Hey, babe.
That's me.
You want to go see a smiling peanut?
Sure. As long as it's not salted. Or boiled.
You don't like boiled peanuts?
I don't like boiled peanuts. I like salted peanuts.
We'll see. Well, I was on my way to go see the peanut, but Jeff took a side trip. Jimmy Carter's Boyhood Farm. This is also part of the National Park Service. I had no idea. So that means I can go over there and get the stamp on my little booklet. Check that out. Got my stamp. This is such a nice find. I had no idea. We'll go check it out. Oh, look.
2010.
Yeah, they did his handprints. That's cool. Oh, God.
Apparently you had a pony.
He had a pony? He certainly did. Oh, it says, I had a pony. Jimmy Carter slept here.
Hello, I'm Jimmy Carter. Welcome to the house and the farm where I spent my youth. Here, we had long working days during those Depression years. We would wake up each morning when the bell would ring about 4 o'clock sun time, which was long before sunrise.
That was nice. Looks like the chicken coop. Look at this. Earl and Lillian Carter home. Okay, do not disturb or touch the furnishings. Boom. Look at this. Well, this is odd.
Yeah.
I wonder if we were supposed to come in the other door. Let me take a look.
Most cherished possessions. One of my fondest memories was a Christmas morning when I was a little boy. I had long wanted a pony and was discouraged from expecting it, but I woke up one Christmas, I was ill. I couldn't get out of the house because I had measles. And my mother and father said that maybe Santa Claus left me something outside in the yard. So I raised the window of this bedroom, looked out, and there was a pony.
Oh, how cool.
As a boy, I was an avid reader, as was my mother. Whenever I was asked what I wished for Christmas or Santa Claus for me, I always said books. Reading was really my domestic contact in the other life.
This is Earl and Lillian's bedroom.
That reading habit stuck with me throughout my life, and that's one of the reasons that I still like to read and write of my own.
This is really a nice house. in Ruth's bedroom. And the front porch. So cool, huh?
The front porch.
Yeah. Huh. Look at that hallway. That is really a long hallway.
Yeah. A good sized house.
Yeah. That must have been where the well was.
Maybe.
Water unfit for a human. Okay.
Must have been a school over there.
Yeah. And there's more of the barn and stuff for over there.
Yeah. That's probably the
Chickens.
well, where the windmill is.
That looks like an old gas pump.
Yeah. Maybe it's not a store.
Let's go check this out. It's definitely an old, oh, look at the windmill. Let's see what this was. It was a store. Oh, that's cool. Huh. What do we got here? Blacksmith shop. And then there's that bell that we heard ringing a minute ago. See what else? I suppose we need to go look at the barn. Can't come here without looking at the barn. What we got inside of here? Planters
Yeah. Flowers
and an old bell way down there. Hey,
this was probably a corn crib though.
well, it could have been.
Because it's got open slack.
Oh yeah, well there's
This is
corn.
cattle and horses. Teams. Maybe not cattle, maybe just teams.
Yeah,
Horsepower.
could be. Well, that was cool. I almost didn't see these guys. Look at that. All right, now here we go. This was a very cool find. A little bit of history. Okay, in front of everybody, I'm going to apologize because I was like, don't turn here. That's not what the GPS says. And you were like, I thought I should. I'm glad you did. We would have missed this. I just would have gone and seen the smiling peanut.
Yeah.
Good job.
This kind of reminds me of my home. But I mean, it's different. The buildings are different and stuff, but it was pretty primitive like this.
Very cool. Now, we're going to go find the peanut. Here we go. We made it to the peanut. To the peanut. It is a goofy peanut. The smiling peanut. 1976. There we go. Welcome to Plains, home of the 39th president. We certainly are. Isn't this a cool little town? Oh, there's Jimmy Carter's presidential campaign headquarters right there. of cool? We're gonna take just a little drive through town. Oh, we gotta stop and see a mural on the way. Maybe I can catch it from here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. You know, we're always up for a good mural. Cool. But look at that pretty butterfly. Isn't that pretty? That's a little seating area back in here. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, a little peanut right there. This truck's waiting for you to go. He has no idea I'm trying to do videos here. Nice little town. That was our little outing for the day. Unless we see something else. Right?
Yep. Never know what you're going to see on the side roads.
That is true. Look at that, I was cutting you right off. There we go. See? Like a butterfly tree. Jeff just spied that. Isn't that cool? Well, refresh yourself with a Coca-Cola. Another cool mural. I don't even know where we're at. But it's pretty cool. And look at that tiny little ice machine. Never seen such. Ah, cute. We are in Lumpkin, Georgia. There's a really cool. Look at that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.